This video is made by Arshi Khan and Arpita Pal. In this video, we are going to learn about association. So let's get started. What is an association? An association is a group of people formed to a particular goal. Such a group is not of a permanent type. An association is a sort of a cooperative unit having its own organization, rules and regulations. Now we are going to look some definitions given by various scholars. First of all, according to Maurice Gingras, an association is a group of social beings related to one another by the fact that they possess or have instituted in common an organization with the view to securing specific ends. Next is, as per R.M. McCleaver, an organization deliberately formed for the collective pursuit of some interest or a set of interests which its members share. Next is, according to anthropologist Cruz, by association we mean the coming together of a group of human beings to engage in organized behavior for designated goal and conforming with a designated set of rules and norms. Next, we are going to look some characteristics of association. Common interest. It is not just collection of individuals but association as a distinct social group in terms of interest aspect of association, because the association is organized for particular purposes for the pursuit of specific interests. We belong to it by virtue of these interests. Next is association as an organization. An association is known essentially as an organized group. The character of association and institution organization gives stability and proper shape to association. The idea of association as an organization also determines the way in which the status and roles are distributed among its members. Next is cooperative spirit. The cooperative pursuit may be spontaneous, as offering a helping hand to stranger. It may be casual or in fact may be determined or guided by the customs of a community. Next is membership is voluntary. It depends upon the individual's choice as per the interest. In fact, individuals are at liberty to join them. Next is regulation of relation. Every association had its own ways and means to regulate the behavior in relation of its member. Therefore, they frame certain rules and regulations which may be written or in unwritten forms. Next is durability of association. The nature of association may be permanent or temporary. There are some or more enduring and exist on large scale like state, family, religious organizations, etc. Next, we are going to learn about the differences between association and community. Association is deliberately formed for the purpose of fulfillment of certain common needs of people, but a community is more than any specific organization. There can be multiple association within a community. Community is a natural development, whereas association is man-made. Membership in community is more open, but the membership in association has limited significance. Association cannot exist with formal rules and regulations, whereas community exists with social conduct. In association, social control is exercised by formal means, whereas in community, social control is exercised by informal means. Next, we are going to learn about some differences between association and institution. Institutions are traditions and customs that are followed for generations, whereas associations are made up of people with common interests or goal. An association are concrete mostly, whereas institutions are abstract like democracy, marriage, etc. Association have an interest in mind, whether religious or business, and last as long as this interest is served. On the other hand, institutions are more or less permanent. Associations are born out of institutions, but institutions never grew out of association. Thank you for watching this video.